explorers, welcome back to our channel. I hope you all are doing well. So let us begin with the chapter number 17 of grammar, and the name of the chapter is perfect tenses. So now in this chapter हम लोग बात करेंगे about the perfect tenses. So जल्दी से इसको पढ़ते हैं और जानते हैं. So let us begin with the chapter and know more about these three forms, right? So, present tense can be classified into three forms. तो ये जो present tense है ये 3 forms में classify की गई है, right? So it is present perfect tense, past perfect tense, and the future perfect tense, right? So सबसे पहले बात करते हैं about the present perfect tense. तो ये present perfect tense क्या है? Let's see. Present perfect tense is used to express an action that has been completed just now or a little time back, right? तो ये जो present perfect tense है ये यूज किए जाते हैं ऐसे एक्शंस को एक्सप्रेस करने के लिए जो कि अभी अभी कंप्लीट हुए हैं, राइट? और अ लिटिल टाइम बैक या फिर कुछ टाइम पहले ही, राइट? वर्ड्स लाइक नाउ, बिफोर, अप टू, द प्रेजेंट, एटसेट्रा, राइट? तो वर्ड जैसे कि नाउ, बिफोर या फिर अप टू द प्रेजेंट, ये सभी हम इस टेंस में यूज कर सकते हैं. एग्जाम्पल, आशा has gone to the shop, right? Now, next is how to form present perfect tense. अब ये यहाँ पर हमें बता रहे हैं कि present perfect tense को कैसे फॉर्म किया जाता है. So first of all, we have the affirmative sentences. So affirmative sentences का जो formation है that is subject plus has or have plus the verb. So the sentence becomes I have prepared my notes, right? Next, it is the negative sentences. तो अब बात करते हैं नेगेटिव सेंटेंसेस के बारे में. सो नेगेटिव सेंटेंसेस कैसे फॉर्म किए जाते हैं? इट इज सब्जेक्ट प्लस हैज और हैव प्लस नॉट प्लस द वर्ब, राइट? सो एग्जाम्पल इज ही हैज नॉट क्लियर्ड हिज ड्यूज. करेक्ट. नेक्स्ट वी हैव the interrogative sentences. तो अब बात करते हैं interrogative sentences के बारे में, right? So it is has or have plus the subject plus the verb, right? So it says, have you applied for the post? Correct? Now, moving ahead, the next thing that we have over here is the past perfect tense. तो अब बात करते हैं past perfect tense के बारे में. So, past perfect tense expresses an action completed at some point in the past time before another action was begun. यानी कि ये जो पास्ट परफेक्ट टाइम है ये एक एक्शन को एक्सप्रेस करता है जो कि एक पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम पर कंप्लीट कर दिया गया था, पर पास्ट टाइम में ही जिससे पहले कि दूसरा एक्शन शुरू हुआ उससे पहले ये काम कंप्लीट किया जा चुका था. right? Example says, the train had left before I reached the station, right? Now, the next thing that we are talking about is how to form past perfect tense. अब हम कैसे ये जो past perfect tense है इसको बना सकते हैं. So, first of all we have the affirmative sentences. So let's see their structure, that how they can be formed. So it is subject plus had plus the verb. So example says, she had already deposited her fee. Right? Next, we have the negative sentences. तो अब बात की जाए अगर नेगेटिव सेंटेंसेस के बारे में. सो नेगेटिव सेंटेंसेस का फॉर्मेशन होता है सब्जेक्ट प्लस हैड प्लस नॉट प्लस द वर्ब. सो इट इज दे हैड not done anything wrong. Correct? Next, we have the interrogative sentences. तो हम बात करते हैं interrogative sentences के बारे में. So it is had plus subject plus the verb, right? So it says, had she switched off the TV before going to bed, right? Next, we have the future perfect tense. तो हम बात की जाए अगर future perfect tense के बारे में. So let's see what they are telling. Future perfect tense denotes an action that will be completed at some point in future time. तो ये जो future perfect tense है ये डिनोट करता है एक एक्शन को जो कि कंप्लीट किया जाएगा एक पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम पर इन द फ्यूचर, राइट? सो एग्जाम्पल सेज, I shall have completed my work before you come, right? Next, now let's see how to form the future perfect tense. तो अब देखते हैं कि हम कैसे इस फ्यूचर परफेक्ट टेंस को फॉर्म कर सकते हैं. सो इट सेज, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव द एफर्मेटिव सेंटेंसेस. सो लेट्स हैव अ लुक ऑन इट्स फॉर्मेशन. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, सो इट इज सब्जेक्ट प्लस shall or will plus have plus the verb. So it says, she will have completed her work by tomorrow, right? Next, moving ahead, we have the negative sentences. So अब ये जो negative sentences हैं, ये कैसे form किए जाते हैं? So it is subject plus shall or will plus not plus have plus the verb. So the example says, they will not have seen the film without your permission, right? Next, we have interrogative sentences. तो हम बात की जाए अगर interrogative sentences के बारे में. So it is will or shall plus subject plus have plus the verb. So it says, will you have reached London by next Sunday? Correct? So that was all about the chapter. I hope you all are clear with the perfect tenses and all the formations of the tenses that we discussed over here in the chapter. Hello, my young explorers. Welcome back to our channel. I hope you all are doing well. So let us begin with the practice worksheet of the chapter Perfect Tenses. Right? So let's begin with the very first exercise, that is the multiple choice question MCQs. So it says, I dash preferred my notes. And the options are has, have, or is. So the correct option is have. I have prepared my notes. Next, he dash not cleared his dues. And the options are have, has, or are. So it should be he has not cleared his dues. Right? Next, she has already dashed her fee. And the options are deposit, deposits, or deposited. So it is deposited, right? Correct. Next, dash you applied for the post. Have, has, or is. So it should be have you applied for the post, right? Now, moving ahead, we have fill in the blanks with the perfect tense of the verbs given in brackets. So, अब fill-ups की बात करते हैं, right? So, it should be the dash begin, you are a little late. The film has begun. I dash not see her for 2 years. I wonder where she is. I have not seen her for 2 years. Next, we missed the bus. Now we will have to walk. We have missed the bus. Now we will have to walk. He dash just dash out. He has just went out. Right? Next, I can't go out to play because I dash not finish my homework. Because I have not finished my homework. Right? Next, fill the past perfect tense of the verbs given in brackets. तो अब जल्दी से past perfect tense verbs के fill करते हैं in brackets में से choose करके, right? So it is Helen dash by the time we arrived. Helen had left. Right? Next, he knew that he dash a serious mistake. He had made a serious mistake. Next, she asked me why I dashed the party so early. Why had I left? Right? Next, previously, he dash a very good student. Previously, he had been a very good student. Next, the police spokesman reported that they finally dashed the thief. That they finally have captured. So that was all about the chapter. I hope you all enjoyed it and got the concepts clear. So that was all from my side. Thank you so much and do have a great day ahead.